Is the current lockdown making you anxious? You are not alone. Many of us are juggling a new work from home environment, managing remote teams, and a lot of household chores. This can be a major trigger for unpleasant emotions, leading to changes in sleeping and eating patterns, and even difficulty concentrating. During such times, it's more important for us to keep stress and anxiety in check. Here's how you can do it.
A story of a fight for independence, a fight for equality, a fight for deeper pockets. We realized, while on one hand, denim has become a symbol of modernity for Indian women, the unequal pockets are seen as regressive and extremely inconvenient.
Waiting to bring home your favorite Ford? The best place to buy it is from your home. It is convenient and safe. A demo car for test drive will arrive at your doorstep. Rest assured, our executive will take care of all the safety measures. Complete your finance, registration formalities, and make the payment online.
What if we gave you a mutual fund scheme that can act as a multi-purpose tool and can also bring a long-term smile on your face? Presenting the ICICI Prudential Manufacture in India Fund.
Edelgift Foundation is back with Edge 2018. The biggest event of our engagement calendar is part of an ongoing journey towards collaborative philanthropy. After last year's focus on growing together, the theme of this year is centered on leadership, a key vector for change.
The annual income of these families in Kachudag have gone up by 8,000 to 10,000 rupees by the bank's intervention. The residents of Kachudag are now amongst the 54 million people to have had their lives transformed by India's largest private sector bank, because progress begins when we empower communities.